vegetarian restaurant. Jerry's trying to become a pescatarian or vegetarian or something because he had food poisoning. Not from a restaurant though. Not gotta worry about that. He's trying a vegetarian life. Yeah, and we went to the indoor playground. Utopia and Fremont. Did you have fun? Good. Is that your response? Are you not really a vegetarian now? Or is it pescatarian? Do you want more of the garlic bun? Okay. Do you want to say what it's like being vegetarian? So here I am making chia seed pudding. I have 1 cup of the coconut almond breeze, and I have 1/4 cup of the organic chia seeds from Trader Joe's. I'm going to go ahead and put some stevia. I'm going to be putting some stevia that I have here. What is it, Mirabella?
Mama.
I'm holding my daughter right now. I'm just going to go ahead and put about how much I put in maybe a coffee or something. And then I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for, I think it's like an hour or more. And it's supposed to thicken up. And this is the first time I'm making this, so I'll see what I think of it. So right here, I just made my oatmeal. You want to have some oatmeal? Do you want some oatmeal? And I have the pumpkin spice coffee, which I've had for a while, but I didn't make it until today. What else? Pretty soon it's going to be fall. It'll be fall soon. And I got this thing. This is for a doorbell chime. It's called Ring. It's a video one though. So that's good. Just gotta figure out how to put it in. Looks pretty self-explanatory. So I just installed the Ring video doorbell, the little plate. Does it work?
It worked.
The chime? I was testing. Yeah. We're gonna be finger painting. I have some brushes, and these are supposed to be, I think, washable and non-toxic. So they're from the dollar store. Right here we have yellow, looks like a red orange, and a blue color. Open. Just try not to make a mess right away, that is, okay? Pretty thick. Pretty thick. Okay. Maybe we'll start with this side. There. There's some paint on here. Oh, you want to use brush? Okay. So you take the paint. Paint it on there, onto this. You want to use your fingers? Well, that's nice. little sprinkler mat thing right before this. Just been getting up later because we don't go to the playground now. Here goes words next time. What do you think of the glow light, Mirabella? What did we do this morning, huh? Oh, there was a fig on the fig tree the very first time. Yeah, it was good. And what else? So we need a bouquet, bouquets, and what else do we do? First we got up, we had English muffins with, we had cottage cheese and avocado, and, and that turkey, it has no nitrates now. Yeah, it was good. The avocado, yeah. I toasted it, it was yummy. And you got dressed. Yeah. And yeah. That's all. That's all so far. Guess your daddy is not awake yet. So. And the weather is totally changing. It's so cold now. This is a lamb. I'm gonna show. What are you thinking? First 100 words book. Yeah. Oh, that's the ball. Soccer ball. Trying to kick it. Yeah. You got soccer ball. You got soccer balls. Different balls, different kinds. The soccer one, that's the pillow one. And then there's, so there's the pillow soccer ball. And then she's got a soccer ball that has music. Yeah. Soccer ball that's like inflated, and some other ball. She's all getting all excited. Yeah. Yeah. Are you showing that you're kicking the ball? Is that what you were doing? Oh, pretending to smell the flower in the book? Yeah.